Hello, my name is Sigrid Koch. I'm a Principal Solution Engineer with Winshuttle. Today we'd like to cover how you can use Winshuttle Studio to automate equipment updates. The agenda will cover the top 10 use cases in plant maintenance. We'll cover automating the equipment updates from two different perspectives, from the author of the automation as well as the business user who consumes it. Talk about potential savings, where to find examples, and a quick wrap up. Here you see the top 10 use cases for plant maintenance, and number 2 is change equipment. Almost all of these have over 99% time savings versus doing it manually. Lots of customers who are automating this using Winshuttle Studio with lots of days saved. Now, the steps to update equipment, as with most things in SAP, require you to visit lots of screens, and our customers find that it's much simpler to interact with SAP from a business-friendly tool like Excel to be able to create, or in this case, update various objects. And we're doing equipment today. There's 3 different author modules: transaction to automate those SAP transactions you'd otherwise manually walk through, query to extract data out of the backend system for either operational type reporting or to extract prior to updating. And direct allows you to interact with SAP through SAP BAPIs or business APIs. They're basically SAP programs, and SAP has tons of them, and it's a very efficient way to interact with SAP. Today we're going to cover transaction for the most part, but our example will also include a query to extract data prior to updating. So from the Studio author experience, there's 3 different steps for any automation and with transaction, and that includes this equipment update. So we'll first record it, walking through it in SAP, then we'll map and run. Let's take a look.